Working on a 2002 Ford E150 service van. You can see it's got the rear differential pulled open and we've got the wheel and the shaft off. Was thinking that we just needed to replace a seal right in here, and when we took it apart, however, the bearings themselves had some pretty serious wear. So there's the race that was right up in here. We ended up borrowing a tool from our local mechanic, and that deal right there has a slide hammer on it, and you hammer out the bearing. But here's our axle, and you can see this bit right here is worn down a lot more than it's supposed to. This should just be flat right across here. There should be no spot here. So if you have an axle that is worn like this, you can actually get an axle saving bearing, which is what this thing is right here. What this does is it switches the place of the bearing and the seal. So it puts the seal here on the inside, and it puts a greased bearing on the outside. And when this gets, well, we'll put it into the van and then we'll slide this in. It'll basically shift that bearing surface from right here to right here. And then you can continue using your old axle even though it has a spot with wear. Of course, if this was eaten off like a lot of the way, then you would not want to do this because, well, your wheel could come flying off while you're driving down the road. So you don't use it in every situation, but this is one of the situations where it's going to make a lot of sense. You can see they have like an O-ring on here, but this will just slide into there just like that, and we'll get it tapped in. Once we get that tapped into there, we can just slide our old axle in, and then I can go back underneath there and put together the rear differential, and we'll be good to go. If you're looking for a video about actually pulling that out, Ford Tech Make You Loco has a really good video on that. Maybe I'll link to that in the description. But this is a pretty cool thing, and it does exist. So hope that you found this helpful, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Just wanted to make sure that you were aware of this product because I think it's going to be really helpful in this situation. So talk to you later.